Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. How are you today? How are you, Nicole?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. Alors, aujourd'hui, on change un petit peu. Pas de dictation. On va faire plutôt Q&R, okay? Questions and also responses or answers, okay? Q&A. Nicole, ce que tu pourrais faire peut-être en premier, c'est lire, if you could please read the whole list of questions.
Yes, I can.
These are easy ones, guys, okay?
Yes.
Because
Yes.
we're going to do like several sessions of questions like this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Could you please introduce yourself? Could you please introduce yourself? How do you learn French? What would you recommend for improving one's French? English, I'm sorry.
No worries.
That sounded weird.
No problem.
What do you like most about French? What do you like least about French?
A long list. I'm joking.
And what's your current level of French?
Okay, perfect. So the first one is, could you please introduce yourself? So we are all listening. Maybe I'm not going to write everything you're saying, but maybe a few keywords or a few sentences.
Yeah, okay? I'll try not to be too wordy.
No worries. Just answer like as usual.
My name is Nicole, as you guys know. Most of you guys know.
So most of you is la plupart d'entre vous. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Okay. I am a teacher.
Okay. So okay, just give me one sec, guys. I'm a teacher. Alors, pas besoin de le mettre en majuscule, mais on dit pas I'm teacher. Je suis professeur, on dit sans article en français, mais en anglais, on met I'm a teacher. Yes. I'm, I don't know, a salesman, for example.
Yep, exactly.
Okay. Commercial, salesman. Okay. Thank you very much, Nicole. So the second question is, how do you learn French?
And I guess I should add I'm American, but I think most of you guys know that.
Yes, and we can hear it too.
Especially when I speak French.
That's fine.
Okay. How do I learn French? I mostly practice with my French friends, speaking and writing.
I mostly practice.
Yep.
With a S or a C? A C.
Practice, yeah. I mostly practice with my French friends.
Donc, je fais du français la plupart du temps. Ça veut dire tout ça en même temps. I mostly practice with. Okay? Sorry, go ahead.
I mostly practice with my French friends by speaking and writing
Okay.
with them. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Good.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Are you going to write the rest or no?
Yes. Yeah, no, I'm just waiting for your answer.
Oh. And I also, of course, study out of textbooks.
Out of textbooks.
TV.
À partir des cahiers d'exercices. Voilà, et à partir je trouve même plus les bons mots en français, à partir des livres d'apprentissage, tout simplement.
And of course, watching TV, movies and stuff. So.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Movies and stuff. Donc, Bien sûr, en regardant la télé, les films et d'autres trucs, littéralement.
Yeah.
Et stuff, tu mets pas, il n'y a pas
Anything,
de
yeah.
à la fin.
In
C'est
general. Yeah, in general.
In general, vous voyez, c'est vraiment pour alimenter vos conversations. In general, c'est en général. Mais il ne faut pas dire in general. In general. OK, guys? Bam! Il y a cet accent tonique. OK, est-ce que tu peux lire, s'il te plaît, the third question?
Yep. What would you recommend for improving one's English?
Donc, c'est recommend and for improving. Attention, c'est pas to improve, c'est for improving. OK? So,
yeah, I mean, I would recommend just you have to practice every single day.
Chaque jour, vraiment.
Yeah.
Single, là, c'est vraiment chaque jour, l'un après l'autre.
Yeah, every single day. And you have to mix learning concepts and understanding them, but also memorizing. You have to memorize a lot of rules.
Concepts, les concepts,
Yeah.
memorize, mémoriser a lot of rules. Mémoriser beaucoup de règles.
Yeah.
Okay?
You have to understand concepts, but remember a lot of rules. Yeah, you have to memorize sometimes.
Okay. Memorize, remember.
Yeah.
So remember to memorize a lot of rules. If
Exactly.
I may say so.
You could say either, yeah.
Okay. Fourth question, please.
What do you like most about French?
Everything. French is perfect. French is the language of perfect people like
my perfect ancestors.
Good.
Yeah, I like French the most because it is part of my family history.
I like French the most. Okay. Right?
Okay. I like the way it sounds. It's very beautiful.
Alors ça, c'est très important. I like the way it, pardon, it sounds. Donc, j'aime la façon dont cela sonne. Mais vous voyez qu'on fait sauter tous les que, les dons, etc. I like the way that it sounds, on pourrait dire. Mais Nicole, vous voyez, spontanément, elle a dit, attendez, je vous l'affiche correctement. Elle a dit, I like the way it sounds. Elle n'a pas dit, I like the way that it sounds. Elle aurait pu, mais elle n'a pas dit. Parce qu'à l'oral, that, c'est un exemple parfait. Bam, il saute, OK?
Lastly, it's very poetic. I think a lot of people like French because it's very poetic.
It's very poetic.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah. No S. Yeah.
Poetic. Okay. Perfect. And this is part of your family history, you said?
Yes. Yes.
Awesome. Amazing. The fifth question, well, nothing to say, so we go to the last one. Bad joke. So, what do you like
least? I will try not to make it a long list, but I think that the grammar rules are becoming very difficult for me. And especially prepositions, let's say that.
Not to make it a long list, ne pas en faire une long list, and especially preposition.
Oh, yeah.
Very difficult. De, a, accent grave,
yes.
D apostrophe, le DES aussi, qui n'est pas une préposition, mais bon.
Yeah, very difficult for me. Yeah, that's what I like the least right now.
Okay, this is what I like. Parfait, là, pour réviser tous nos comparatifs et surtout nos superlatifs. The most, the least, OK? C'est ce que j'aime le moins. Donc là, on est vraiment dans des bouts du discours de la vie quotidienne qui, pour vous, chers amis, seront tout simplement essentiels, en fait. Voilà. OK? And what's your current level of French?
My current level of French is about a B1.
Donc, environ B1, donc pré-intermédiaire.
Yeah.
About a B1, you said.
Yeah, it's almost, I think, a B2, but I think I'm more of a B1 right now when I take tests to see my level.
Okay, so je pense que I think I'm more, so I think je pense que je suis plus B1. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good. So congratulations. So how long have you been learning French, Nicole?
I have been learning French for about 2 years. Seriously, for about 1 year and a half, a year and a half. So I'm proud of being a B1. It's pretty tough even at that level. So. Okay.
Perfect. Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Tough, pretty tough. Tough,
yes.
Ça veut dire T-O-U-G-H, ça veut dire c'est dur, d'accord?
Yes,
Une personne peut être aussi, for example, you could say that someone is tough also.
Mm-hmm.
On pourrait dire que quelqu'un est tough. C'est quelqu'un qui est dur, vous voyez, mais c'est péjoratif quand même. Ça peut être péjoratif et positif comme en français quand on dit quelqu'un est dur. Voilà. À vous de voir selon le contexte. Bon, bah, chers amis, j'espère que cette session de Q&A, question and answers, vous a plu. On va continuer, on va en faire d'autres avec Nicole. Je trouve que ça change un petit peu que par rapport aux dictation, qui évidemment reviendront très prochainement, mais je voulais vous apporter quelque chose d'un petit peu différent et qui soit le plus proche, comme d'habitude, de l'anglais classique, l'anglais de la vie de tous les jours, pour que vous puissiez vous améliorer. En attendant, si vous ne l'avez pas fait, vous devriez vous abonner à cette fabuleuse chaîne YouTube en cliquant sur le bouton rouge, en bas à droite. Et vous pouvez aussi récupérer votre kit complet pour vous mettre ou pour vous remettre à l'anglais. Il suffit de cliquer sur le i en haut à droite. Thank you very much, Nicole.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Talk to you tomorrow. Guys,
bye.
Bye.